Introducing the new Yale Unity Security Screen Door Lock. The Yale Unity Security Screen Door Lock is designed to fit industry-standard screen door footprints, allowing for easy retrofitting and replacement of older hardware. Additionally, the Unity Security Screen Door Lock is compatible with our 3-point locking system, allowing for premium security and protection. Featuring a slim profile and design, the Unity Security Screen Door Lock fits well with most front door locks and handles, including the Yale Unity Entrance Door Lock. Amongst a range of new and unique features, the Unity Security Screen Door Lock features lift-to-lock technology, allowing for keyless external locking. Our patented digital deadlocking technology also allows control via your smartphone and the Yale Home app, allowing you to lock the door both inside and out when home or away. A door position sensor will also send you notifications of when the door may be left ajar and allows you to see whether the door is open or closed via the Yale Home app. The electronic internal snib allows easy and simple locking when indoors. Our patented dual door technology also allows pairing with the full Unity range, including the Unity Entrance Lock, allowing for seamless entry and exit around your home through a single digital key tag. And when paired with the Yale Home app, you'll have complete control of the system right from the palm of your hand. So, for more information, visit yalehome.com.au.